So this is our sander here. It's pretty simple. To turn it on, all you do is press this button. Right there. So anyway, this one right here is getting a little worn, so I've got to change it. I'm going to show you how you do that. All right, so on the side, you just kind of pop that up. You got both sides. So what we're going to do is these won't loosen. So to loosen them, you got to go like this. Now these loosen off. You see that? Watch. So when I put this back on the slatch, right here, it tightens this. Here's this one on this side. So now I can't pull this. So to get it off, I got to pop this, and now this loosens. You see? And then I can just pull the paper out and put a new one in. All right, so I'm going to use some heavy-duty paper. All right, so anyway, I got to get it bigger than that. So I want to come over about that far. So I'm going to, so I've got it so it comes over a little bit here. I'm going to stick it in there, and I'm going to cut it on this side. I want to try to get it the width of this. So I'm going to cut it right about there. That should do it. And now I just got to cut it out of there. Okay, so here we go. Now to put it in, what you're going to do is you're going to slide it right in this one here. Got to kind of pull it back a little bit. If you pull this out, it kind of pushes that back. See, I pull it out, and then it pulls this open here, and then I can slip my paper in. And then I can just get it even and tighten her down, but bringing it back over here. Well, that side's tight. Then I can come over to this side, bring it in. And this one's a little more trickier because you got to bend it in. So you open it like this, and then you're just going to smush that in there, just like that. And then you're going to pull this down and lock it. And that should hold it in there. See how it's all tight in there and tight in there? I mean, I could have got it tighter, I guess. Let me see if I can get it tighter. Hang on. To get it tighter, I'm going to pop this one here. Let me pull it in more. All right, now I think that might work. All right, there we go. All right, I think we're good. Let's resume our sanding. Okay.
All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.